Yeah, good morning, everyone. This is the voice of Fajimi Sam of Young Bravo Legacy. It's been a while, guys. I miss you so much. I know you miss me as well. This morning we'll be looking at GBPJPY for the week. Yeah, we'll be looking at GBPJPY for the week. So I'm going to go to the weekly time frame to see what we have on the weekly time frame. Yeah, this is the weekly time frame of the GBPJPY, the Great Britain pounds, and the Japanese yen. Wow. Now we can see GBPJPY has been bullish previously for a while now. Then this candle broke the bullish structure. It's created a lower low. Then this as well created a lower low. This as well created a lower low. I expect this candle to create another lower low again. Now also, as looking that aside, look at this crazy rejection. We created a liquidity rejection and we rejected this area. This is our next target on GBPJPY. So I expect this next price to probably just go up a bit, then start coming down to fill this week to the left. Yes, so my bias on GBPJPY for the week is bears, is a sell. Yeah. With this happening, this should probably come down to fill this week or continue downward and more. That is what I see based on the weekly time frame. Then let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we have to identify areas. Now we created the resistance here on the daily. Okay, let me use my. Yes, we broke the previous support level. We closed above we broke the previous level and closed above. This was the previous support area. We broke it and closed above and closed below it. Rather, we closed below it. Though this breakout candle does not have a wick to the downside. That's why this candle closed bullish. That's why it closed. So this candle here, you just expect this candle to just come up a bit and start coming down. Yeah, I believe today candle should close red. That is my belief. So having that, so we have let's go to the what's it called, to the 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours time frame. What can you see? For me on the 4 hours, yeah, the 4 hours looks very tricky. So at this point you have to pay attention. Don't forget what we have on the okay. So I think looking at the 4 hours, I will try and consider this previous area. Right, I would love to consider this previous zone. So we also have this. Yes, so let's just say yes. So let's take a closer look. Okay, looking at the 4 hours, looking at 4 hours, we have this. Okay, looking at 4 hours, we have some kind of consolidation going on here, but it doesn't mean this is the 4 hours, so it doesn't mean we can't trade. Yeah. So now, if we have some consolidation going there, we also have this kind of area here. If a candle can break this low, we can probably just sell to fill this week and continue down to this area. Yes, that's probably what I'll be looking for as well. Then now let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm paying more attention here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, fine. The 1 hours look good. Now you can see on the 1 hour we are in a consolidation at the moment. Yeah, price presently consolidating right now. Yeah, so let's set the barriers for the consolidation. These are the big this is the big barriers. This is the big barrier. Yeah, let me just put it here. Yeah, let me put it here. So we have something here as well. You can see here, price is consolidating right now here. This is on consolidation. Yeah, this is a small consolidation inside the big consolidation on the higher time frame. So I think we can start be looking for the breakout of that one to take a trade. So if we break below here, we can look for sales to this area. That's around how many pips? Let me see. Oh, that's very small. That's like 15 pips range. You can take your 10 pips here. And if that's not satisfactory, you can probably wait for price to break below this area, because we have clean candles to the left. You can see we have clean candles to the left here. that is telling us that price can come down to this area and come down very, very fast. So we can expect a break below this area for price to come down to this area and beyond. But right now, yeah, if price can, but right now everything is still bullish, so you have to be careful what you decide for yourself. Right now, this previous three candle have been bullish, but you can see the same thing happen here. So this will reject this area as well and probably start the consolidation. Then we need a breakout from this consolidation for price to probably go down. Then let's now look to the upside, because this is the forex market, anything can happen. So we have a resistance here, we have an area here created here. So if we break above this area, there's high probability we are going to buy. Is high probably, yeah, you can see it's like price is even trying to break, but I don't think it's going to break. So it's probably will come to this area. So that's to look out for. If we can break below, once we break below here, the main bias is a sell based on the higher time frame. Yeah, I think we should be looking for a sell. Yeah, but right now price is going up, and I think we are going to continue buying for the meantime. Yeah, price is buying right now, so we just have to wait for a candle to close above this resistance zone, above this consolidation zone, before we can decide if we are buying or selling. A candle to close above here, and you can see that when you look to the left, we have some kind of rejections here. Yes, you have some kinds of rejections around this area. Those are stuff you have to look out for. Yeah, so you have to look out for these rejections for a proper buy. Price might just come all the way to this area and reject back like this candle did. So you have to be careful as well. So if I'm taking a buy, I'll probably take a buy above this area, above here. Yeah, so yeah, so that's what I think we are going to have today. So my main bias is a sell. I'm probably looking for a sell based on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. Yeah, price look bearish for price to continue going down. Yeah, so I'm going to probably be comfortable taking sell setup, doing the live stream, and probably my London session, because I'm looking at the London session this morning. Though we have a double top, a double bottom here, that's one of the things that is bothering me for the sell. But we have a very strong resistance here as well. Price has tried to break it 1, 2, 3, over 3 or 4 times. You understand? Price has not been able to. So that's another confirmation that okay, we might start going down now. And also, if I add a trend line to this present situation that we have here, you can see if price should come down again now, we can probably have that bearish confirmation we are looking for. So that's what it is today. But my main bias is sell based on the higher time frame. So on the lower time frame, I'm only looking for a resistance to be formed or this consolidation to be broken for us to continue down and retest this low. You understand? So thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely trading week. Remember, don't forget the 3 rules, the 3 or 4 rules that I created. You know the amount you are risking, not more than 1 or 2 trades per day, not more than 3% of your trade per day. Choose a session, only your session, trade only your session and the currency pair that work in your session, guys. Trading is changing life, guys. Trading is changing life. I've been off for a while. I have some kind of personal issues I have to deal with. Yeah, it's very personal, not related with trading, but it's very personal, and I have some kind of my mental health is not balanced, so I just have to keep that in check, because as a trader, you're one of your valuable assets. One of the things that is important to you is the state of your mental health, so that it will not affect your trading or your decision in the financial market. The market does not care about your feelings, so you have to care about your feelings by yourself. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Have a blissful trading week. We'll see you on the live stream today, 11:30 a.m. We'll see you on the live stream. Yeah, I can't wait to see you guys and to do it again the way we used to.